Hello and welcome to the Ideaphora concept mapping environment. On the top left, we have the resource panel where you can watch videos or view other digital content. Below it, we have the keyword panel where Ideaphora has already deconstructed the content into meaningful concepts for you to use creating concept maps. We'll click play.
But have you ever seen a red moon? This happens during a lunar eclipse.
And you simply drag the keywords out and they become nodes in our concept map. We'll add one more. And then they could be linked together very easily using these red handles. Just drag and let go. You could add text on the links to qualify the relationships between the concepts. If you'd like to add more content to your map, click this button here to add new resources. So we have the resources already used in this map, we have public resources, and we have group resources that have been shared with you. Let's click public and type in Eclipse. And this will find resources with Eclipse in the title, but also in the keywords that we have found associated with these pieces of content. You can view the content here or just add it to your current map. And now you see we have new keywords that we've extracted from this piece of content for you to use, and you could just link it. And once nodes are selected, you could also change the color very easily like this. And Ideaphora also extracts images from Wikipedia pages and PDFs. Click on the image tab and then you could drag them out like any other node and resize them as you'd like. And then these play buttons on the nodes will take you back to the point in the content from which these keywords were derived.
In the night sky, very briefly this week, lunar is the word we use to describe and create a red color on the moon. Lunar.
Image nodes also have play buttons. And if you click on the play button, it'll take you back to that point in the Wikipedia page where we found it. There are also blank nodes you can use when filling in ideas that are not already identified as keywords and key phrases. For example, if you have a question, just type it in the node here, and then it can be linked just like the rest of the nodes in your map. And you can see when a link is selected, you have a number of style choices for links there as well. Now we also have zoom in, zoom out, a fit to window, a lasso select. There's also undo and redo, and you can click this button here to add notes to be associated with this map. In a group situation, these notes will be included with the map that's sent to the teacher. You can adjust your workspace by dragging these blue borders left and right and up and down. You can also zoom in on your PDFs or Wikipedia pages to make them easier to read. Now, if you want to work with content that's not already included in Ideaphora, you could add your own by clicking the Add Resource button up top. We're going to search for a YouTube video here. You could also use the share settings to share it with your class or group. And when you hit the magnifying glass or enter, you'll get a list of videos that you could then select and click done and then submit. And once these are processed, they'll be available to you to use in your map or your class's maps. Other buttons on the top here are your Maps menu, where you can find maps you've already created, and the Create New Map button here. Then the question mark will take you to our help system, and you could click on the hotspots and go through slides related to specific features in Ideaphora. There's more to come in future tutorials, but have fun getting started. Thank you.